Hey Sam, have you ever tried making animations?
Not really. Seems like it requires a lot of technical know-how.
Actually, I found an amazing tool called Plotagon Studio which helps you to make animations without any prior experience.
Really? That sounds interesting. But, is it expensive?
Nope, it's actually free to use.
Wow, that's awesome. Can you tell me, how does it work?
Sure. But first you need to subscribe my channel for more such tips.
Now, to make animations for free, open your browser and search Plotagon Studio, and click on the first link. You can download it for free for your Windows PC. Now, open the app after installing it in your system, and click on Create Video. But before we go ahead, we need a script for our animation, and for that, we asked ChatGPT for the script. Now, our script is ready. Click on this icon and choose the scene. There are lots of pre-loaded scenes available to choose. Now, choose the character. You can either create your own character or choose any one of the following. You can also choose the position of the characters, then choose another character, as our script is about conversation between two friends. Now, click on this text icon and choose the first character, then copy and paste the dialogue from the ChatGPT. You can also choose the expression, and to preview the dialogue, click on this mic icon and play the dialogue to preview it. Choose the appropriate expression according to the dialogue. Then, repeat the process for the second character. Repeat the same process alternatively for each character. Copy and paste all the dialogues to complete your animation. After you are done, you can preview your animation by clicking on this play button, and when you are fully satisfied with the result, click on this export icon and choose Render Video. Then, choose the resolution, and choose how you want to export your animation. After some time, your animation video will be ready to be shared. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe for more such amazing videos.